picture, it really shows that with most of our homes, we have a sheeting surface that the outside siding or whatever is applied against. And that sheeting really will dry typically because our vinyl siding, our steel siding, the lap siding all allow a fair amount of airflow through them to allow for that drying process to take place. So you really need to open the wall, take a look at it, but frequently what we will expect is that that outside wall will dry down and we will not have to actually take that part of the wall apart. When we're